Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So in today's video I want to show you how I make simple okra soup. You know those okra soup you make when you don't have time and you're so hungry, you just want to quickly make something to eat. Yes, that's what I'm making today. I call it Sapa Okro soup because it's not something you really like prepare to cook. It's something that just came to mind out of hunger. Okay, so I have this Titus fish in the fridge. I have some for more. So in my boiling water or in my hot water in the stove, I had my fish and my pomo. So I'm just going to slightly season this. I'm going to add my pepper mix as well in this at this stage. Okay, in my pepper mix I have shobo and pepper because I don't want to use just plain pepper. My daughter is eating, so I'm trying to make it a bit light. Okay, so yeah, it contains crayfish, shobo and pepper. So I'm just adding that to the meat, to the fish and the pomo on the stove. I added some onions as well. I'll add seasoning powder, and yes, I'm just going to get that to a boil just for the fish to cook a bit, and then we'll continue with the rest of the video. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody is doing perfectly okay. Yes guys, I'm checking on you. Okay, so a few minutes later my fish is cooked and I'm just taking it out. I don't want it to like break in the soup. Okay, so I'm taking it out and I'm going to show you how I prepare my okra. So for the okra, the best way to get a very slimy okra is by grating your okra. But I really do not like grating my okra. I like to have the chunky okra, like the crunchy okra in my soup. So the best way to have it slimy, like very slimy, is to add some water in your okra and whisk it, or just beat it with your spoon. Okay, so I was using this small pot and it wasn't doing justice at all. I had to like pass it on to a bigger bowl, and then I was able to whisk it very well. So you just want to add water to this and whisk it, like give it a good whisk. By the time you add it to your soup, it's going to be very slimy. So it's not even going to be slimy and completely cooked. You can still have it crunchy. Okay, so that's why I like adding it this way. You're still going to have your okra crunchy, but you're going to have the slimy feel. You know how you want your okra now? Yeah, that's what you're going to get if you do it this way. So I was actually going to make this like white okra without palm oil, but in the middle I just changed my mind and I added a very little bit of palm oil. Okay, just a little. Remember, my shobo and pepper had already make it red, so the oil was just a little. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this to get it combined, and yeah, you're going to see what it looks like. At this point I've remembered I've not had my iru. I'm going to be adding it and you see how everything comes out. So guys, this is the finished look of our delicious soup. It's yummy, crunchy, slimy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Go stop and I go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine.